Hello, everybody. This is Dave Beatty, president of NeverStrip Floor Coatings, with Ben Madrid at ServiceMaster Performance in Albuquerque, New Mexico. How are you, Ben?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
Great. Thanks for joining us today. How long has ServiceMaster Performance in Albuquerque been using the NeverStrip Micron products?
We've been using the products for over 4 years now.
What have been the types of commercial facilities where you've been doing your work?
Well, we've used them in various types, but the most prevalent area that we've used them actually has been in the healthcare environment.
And within these facilities, is it in the hallways, the patient rooms? Where within those facilities have you been using the products?
Actually, all of the above. So, from the in patient care areas, let me just describe it that way: patient care areas, as well as more common, areas. So we use them in every single one of those areas.
How have you seen the Micron products and the technology? How has it been beneficial to ServiceMaster Performance?
So the help for us is a couple of things. One, I would say it's really impacted our client satisfaction. How has it done that? And by giving us, by enabling us to have a more consistent appearance to the floors, it's helped us in terms of the maintenance schedule. So we're not really doing much in terms of recoating at all. Mostly our work has moved from scrubbing and recoating. It's now just auto scrubbing and burnishing. And of course, for our customers, it looks better, stays with a more consistent appearance. And for them, in terms of the healthcare business specifically, it provides them with less downtime, where they're having to close areas because we're doing that type of floor work for them. And the last part with that for the customers is especially in the healthcare business, there's parts that are really difficult to access because of the patient care. So in like emergency rooms, in patient rooms in the long-term care facilities, those areas, you really can't get into them with the type of frequency that you do in the common areas. So that's really helped us tremendously.
Well, Ben, what is it about the Micron products and the technology that allows you to work in these more 24/7 oriented facilities or areas of a facility? What is it about the products that facilitate that?
Well, I think it's two things. First is one is because we can't get into those areas with great frequency, we really have to have a different approach. And so that's really what the NeverStrip floor coatings have provide us. So one, when we do the initial installation, because the dry times are so much quicker than traditional floor finishes, we're able to do the work much more quickly. And then because the maintenance is not as intense with the NeverStrip floor coatings as it is with traditional finish, instead of us having to spend more time scrubbing and recoating, where that process is more of an impact on our customers' facilities, we're able to maintain great look, great appearance, great shine, simply by auto scrubbing and then burnishing the floors. So that's really been the game changers for us.
But how would you characterize that the Micron products and the technology have been beneficial to your customers? If you could just summarize that.
Well, what I would say is one is it's really helped us with regards to our client satisfaction, particularly in areas that have a lot of foot traffic that required previously that had required a lot of scrubbing and recoating. We've been able to improve the look of the floors. We've been able to improve the perception of the cleanliness of the facility because the floors look so much better, and they're so much easier to maintain and keep in that high cleanliness, high gloss appearance.
Does this help your business be more profitable, or is it more important that it helps your business improve your client satisfaction? Talk a little bit about that, if you would.
Well, actually, I think those two items are actually very well connected together. So it does really help us in terms of how our customers view the work that we're doing in the facility. But from a hard dollars and cents perspective, it has definitely allowed us to lower the costs that we have related to maintaining our customers' floors. We've been able to either just simply reduce the cost or be able to redeploy our staff into other areas so that we're either able to save more money or provide a higher level of service and still not have to pass on any additional cost to the customer. So whichever route we take, I feel like it's a win for us and a win for our customer.
What's so special about this technology, this floor care technology?
Yeah. So one is once our technicians were able to understand how to install the product first, and it's a very simple, easy process. And then once we're able to see how well the floors hold up even under traffic, and how it really orients our floor care program much more from an interim maintenance process, which was always heavy on scrubbing and recoating. We've now really moved the ball to just regular maintenance, where it's just cleaning through an auto scrubber and then burnishing the floors and being able to maintain that very clean, glossy look that the customers really expect from us.
And based on your 4 years of experience, is it true that you don't need to strip these products?
That is absolutely true. Like I said, we've really reorientated our floor care program, so it's mostly just regular maintenance now. We have facilities that we've used in high traffic healthcare clinics that we haven't stripped in years, actually. And the floors, they bounce back very, very well just to our cleaning and burnishing schedule.
Any parting thoughts?
Well, I'd like to, really encourage other, ServiceMaster franchisees to really take a look at the products, the NeverStrip floor coating products. One, I think there's a really great, story here, that there's some real wins that they can, take by, using these newer, technology, and really, one, improving their client satisfaction. And I really do believe that they'll see some real bottom line benefits to their business as well.